Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share Mango Kulfi. Mango Kulfi is the creamy and delicious Indian version of mango ice cream. Made with milk, milk powder, condensed milk, nuts and ripe mangoes. This kulfi is the perfect summer treat. You will find many flavors of kulfi and mango kulfi is everyone's favorite during the mango season. For this recipe, we need 4 cups of whole milk. Add whole milk to a heavy bottom pan on medium heat. Let it come to a simmer and then you can lower the heat to medium-low. Then you can add the milk powder and mix it well. Add chopped nuts. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of pistachio and 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. You can add almonds also. Add 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk and mix it well. Now you can reduce the heat to low. Let the milk mixture simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. It will thicken as it cooks. After 20 minutes of cooking, you can add the cardamom powder and give it a mix. Mix cornstarch with milk until it's smooth. Here I am using 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of milk. You can add the cornstarch slurry to the milk and whisk it well to combine. Let the milk simmer for another 5 more minutes after adding the cornstarch slurry. Keep stirring continuously, it will thicken as it cooks. You can turn off the heat, remove the pan from the heat and let the milk cool completely. Once it has cooled down, you can add the mango puree. For this recipe, I am using 2 ripe Alfonso mango. You can peel and cut it into small pieces and blend it until smooth puree. Once the milk mix is cooled completely, you can add the mango puree to the milk and mix it well until everything combined together. You can use kulfi molds or plastic cups. Here I am using the plastic cups. You can transfer the kulfi mixture to the plastic cups. And then you can cover each with aluminum foil and stick an ice cream stick in each mold. Continue the same process and you can fill all the kulfi molds. Cover each with aluminum foil and stick an ice cream stick in each mold. Place kulfi to the freezer and freeze until set, preferably 8 hours or overnight. After 8 hours of freezing, you may keep them under the running hot water for a few seconds and then pull them gently to unmold. You can garnish with pistachio and rose petal. You can serve immediately. Mango kulfi is ready to eat. You have the most delicious, creamy and addictive summer treat bursting with mango flavors. I will put the treat detailed recipe in the description box. Hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon back with another exciting video. Bye. Take care.